Hello, welcome back to my Sitecore Diaries. This is a new video series, a short video series, tools every coder must know. In this series, every episode we are going to talk about one tool which every IT developer should know. So today we are going to start with Jira. First of all, what is Jira? Jira is a project management tool. So if you are using Agile methodology, Jira is a very good option to execute that. What is Agile terminology that we will talk in maybe in some other video. But Jira is a good tool which you can use in the Agile methodology. Now, what are the things which you can do in Jira, or what are the key features of Jira? First is a sprint planning. Again, what is sprint, that we will see in maybe in the different video, but Jira sprint is a very important part of Agile. In short, what is sprint? In sprint, every week, every developer, tester, or a analyst, what work he or she is going to do, that is planned in the sprint. So for sprint planning, Jira is a good tool. Then the next task is a backlog management. So in Agile, we create a backlogs. So for managing those backlogs, Jira is a good option. The third task which Jira easily performs is a task tracking. Every team member is working on something. So what is the status of that task is available on the Jira, and it is very well maintained by its workflow. And there is a lot of transparency in it. So task tracking is very important. Now, who use Jira? Project managers uses Jira for project planning. Then developers use it for task tracking. Then it is used by QA or a tester for bug reporting and the tracking of the bug. So project manager, developers and QA use Jira. Why we use Jira? What is the importance of Jira? First is a team collaboration. Jira helps in a team collaboration, especially in the Agile methodology. Then it's used for planning the work. So work planning or a project planning, task planning, it is very good tool. Then the transparency. It gives a transparency on what task, who is working and what is the status, and it is available to all. So transparency is also provided by the Jira. So all these three makes it easy in Agile methodology for planning or for project execution. What is the takeaway from today's video? So we know now the Jira is a task management, planning and coordination tool. Jira is a perfect option for an organized workflow for executing your project. If you like this video, please do share with your friends and colleagues. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and click on notification bell. I will meet you in the next week with next tool. Thank you.